China, Korea, and other Eastern countries don't dislike those who have lost their ethics, and they hate them even more than actual criminals, like actual criminals. They also highly value man's friendship and loyalty. The friendship between gangsters and politics, the friendship between criminals and politicians, the friendship between criminals and innocent girls, even. And here, that is literally just friendship. Don't get me wrong. These are considered some of the greatest reasons for living, the reason of life, and the most admirable life ethics. That is why when men go to war, start a company, or build a nation, they swear not to betray each other. They cut their fingers literally. In the end, they cut here, maybe in the tip, in the end of their finger, mix their blood with alcohol, and drink it. This is called a blood oath or blood alliance. That is why Korea is said to have made a blood oath with the US while fighting against communism. Gangster related movies are extremely popular in China and Korea. As a result, gangster films continue to be produced. The theme remains the same. Gangsters' friendship is unbreakable. So this is the single line theme. Our friendship, gangster friendship, forever. Because of their friendship, they take the fall for each other, go to prison in each other's place, and even die for each other. Hello everyone, this is Kaheva, all knowledge of the world, head, heart, and soul. Hollywood movies are no longer entertaining. The reason is that Hollywood has lost its universal common sense values. Additionally, Hollywood is trying to spread strange cultural messages through films worldwide. Kaheva explains why. Carry On is a great movie. The actors delivered uniquely brilliant performances. They acted pretty well. The villain, in particular, is an acting genius. However, from an Eastern perspective, there were absurd scenes that ruined this all. The movie included a scene where a pepper protects its wife who also has a pepper. The moment this scene appeared, it completely ruined the film, turning it into trash. Movies are fundamentally about good and evil. They often depict something that appears good but is actually evil, or somebody who seems evil but, like Trumpet, is actually good. These movies showed a man with pepper risking his life to protect his wife who also has pepper. When Eastern audiences saw this scene, they thought, like, the US Democratic Party or Hollywood is trying to spread abnormal relationships between peppers now worldwide. Worldwide. Kaheva has said that Earth is a prison planet where condemned beings live. It is because when fireballs and UFO appear in the sky, disasters strike that land. Countless entities from beyond the solar system have appeared in the skies over the United States. Hollywood will never regain its former glory. This is Kaheva. See you in the next video. God bless you.